Hi, it's Miss Parrot, and in this video, we're going to answer the question, where does the oxygen come from? In middle school, we probably learned that the general equation for photosynthesis is 6H2O plus 6 CO2 equals 1 glucose and then a waste of 6 oxygen. But this O2 right here, where does it come from? Does it come from the water or from the CO2? Or a combination of both? Well, scientists did an experiment to find the answer. They used an isotope of oxygen, which is a heavier version, a version of an oxygen atom with more neutrons, called oxygen 18. And they made water molecules that had oxygen 18 in them. And what they found was when they made water molecules with oxygen 18, after the light reactions, and after all of photosynthesis, all of the oxygen gas produced at the end was that heavier version of oxygen, which means all the O2 has to come from the splitting of water in the light reactions. And so, as a result, to really get the real, truer picture of what's happening in photosynthesis, we want to rewrite the equation as 12H2O because all of these O's, all 12, are going to break apart from their hydrogens and then pair up to form the 6O2 at the end. We still have 6 CO2 that we'll use in the Calvin cycle, but then at the end of the Calvin cycle and the formation of glucose, you'll also get 6 new waters with the original hydrogens from the water molecule and oxygens that were taken from the CO2. So that's where they all go. If you want more information, check out my longer form video on the real equation for photosynthesis. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, question, emoji down below. And if you're a teacher, check out my store, which is Know and Grow with Gnomes on Teachers Pay Teachers. Keep learning and keep growing. And we'll see you next time.